Good morning. Today's we will discuss about the methods of spread or means of spread and infectious disease. What are the reasons by which the infections or disease are spread from the affected person to a healthy person? These are four ways. The first one is by air. The infectious disease spreads from the air, known as airborne disease. And some disease are spread are transmitted from one person to another person by water. And these disease also known as a communicable disease because they are transferred from the one person to another. Third one is by sexual contact, and fourth one is by animals. Let us first describe by airs how the disease are spreads by the air. You know that if any person suffering from a common cold, then common cold viruses are present inside the body of affected person. When any person come close the affected person by sneezing process or by coughing, the tiny or small droplets of the water are released by the sneezing process by the affected person. These tiny small droplets contains a number of viruses. And when a healthy person which come close with affected person are breathing, these tiny small droplets having common cold viruses will enter into the lungs or body of the healthy person and produce a common cold disease in that type of person. So these are the spreading process by air from a affected person to a healthy person, such as common cold is a or tuberculosis is a main disease which are affect are spread by the air. Second one is by water. This disease such as cholera are spread by the drinking of contaminated water. But question is arises how the contaminated water is how the water is contaminated, how the water is infected. This infect comes from the feces or excreta of the animals or humans. Excreta or feces which are released by the human beings in an open area during the rainy seasons. These excreta spread all over the land surface, and these excreta along with water seeps out inside the groundwater, and groundwater will be contaminated due to the presence of excreta having a harmful bacteria which cause the cholera disease. And this water is sucked by the pumping system or by the pump, and we will take or drink this contaminated water and will suffered from the cholera disease. Means these are the contaminated water which are spread all around us. If we have take this contaminated water with excreta and with the harmful bacteria which is present in the drinking water, if we will take, we will suffer from the different kinds of waterborne disease such as cholera. Third one is bisexual contact. And this disease is not spread by the casual contact such as shaking hand or touching to each other or hugging or hug to each other. This is a casual contact. And by casual contact, disease is not spread. But these diseases are spread by the sexual contact, such as disease, the name of disease is AIDS and syphilis. These are the two diseases which are spread by the sexual contact, or which is also spread by the, such as AIDS viruses are spread from a affected person if the blood are donated from affected person to the healthy person. An affected person from the HIV virus, blood have a HIV virus, and this blood are donated to the healthy person, then healthy person will be also affected from the AIDS viruses. And these viruses, the disease are also spread from mothers to their child when sucking to the milk. This is a disease which is spread by the sexual contact with one partner to another. Last one is by the animals. Some are the animals which have ability to transfer a bacteria or protozoans or viruses from an affected person to a healthy person. And this transfer agent is known as vector. Means these vector have ability to transfer from the affected disease from affected person to a healthy person, such as in the case of mosquito. Mosquito is a vector which sucked to affected person, to suck the blood of the affected person, and then it goes and sit and sucked to a blood of the healthy person. Then these blood are these protozoans such as plasmodium will transfer into a healthy person from an affected person by a vector known as mosquito, and disease produced known as malaria. So malaria is caused by a biting of a mosquito, is a vector, and this biting causes the producing disease is known as malaria. So these are the four means or four methods by which the infectious disease are transmitted, or different kinds of disease is produced. Thank you.